Here's a little unboxing of the Char-Griller Grand XD. We're going to try and get this thing put all together today. And I'm going to try to do a little bit of unconventional way of how other people have done it and shown on YouTube. Alright, so we got everything unboxed here for the most part. As you can see probably by now, this is the route I'm going to take to assembling this thing. We'll see how it works out. Alright, so here we are with it assembled how I believe might be the easier way, doing it by yourself. And let's see about flipping this that way, of course. And all I did was just put on the firebox and the stand and the wheels. Nothing else. And we'll see how this works. And of course, I did do some sealant all in there. Help keep some of that smoke inside. And actually, I don't think you really have to, but the bolt holes for here, I actually put sealant on the inside of those, just in case, you know, it might help a little bit. We'll see though. And there we go. Works out perfect. Just lean it down. The weight of the firebox helps out. And just, of course, use your legs, not your back. Well, here's my finished product. Of course, everything looks good. Fits just right. Looking real nice. Of course, I did some sealant on all the holes and everything that would go to the outside of the drum itself. I did a little bit there, did a little bit extra on that. As you can see, everything looks good. Everything fits well. Did all the sealant there, of course. Go ahead and wrap this up. Just now, Storm decided wants to come in, so there we go. Char-Griller Grand XD put together within about 1 hour. And as you see, the way I put it together, I feel like was a lot better than what other people have done, because you need extra hands. Alright, thank you.